Hey guys, Digital Mentor here. Today we're going to talk about how to make $30,000 per month on YouTube without recording videos. But if you want to know my top #1 recommendation about how to make money online, it's the first link in the description below. Also, be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful in any way, but don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for future videos that I'll be making. That way you don't miss out. Alright guys, let's jump into it. Not sure if you're very familiar with Reddit, but I'm a huge fan of it. It's a big group of people who are interested in a whole bunch of different things, kind of like a discussion website. You want to go to subreddits. If you go to the Reddit list, you can see some of the most popular subreddits. You can see them by most recent activity, the most subscribers, and the most growth in the past 24 hours. Getting into it, I'm going to go to funny. So you're going to want to click on one of these and scroll through until you find something that you either find relatable, funny, engaging. So just taking a quick glance at those. I can completely relate to this as I just got a ticket a day or two ago. It says, oh look, there's a cop behind me. I've forgotten how to drive, which is exactly what happened to me as soon as I saw the lights on. So once you find something that you find relating, engaging, or funny, you definitely want to hit the comments. In the comments usually are some of the best things that you can find. This hits home. Yes, it hits home very close to us. It's like when you know a cute girl is walking behind you and all of a sudden you're walking on a bumpy mountain path in Nepal. So some of these comments are really, really funny, guys. So don't forget to hit the comment button. Now you either want to take a picture, do a screen grab, and just hold on to these. You want to do this for a few of them. So going back, we're going to go look at a couple more subreddits and get a few more posts. Let's go to Ask Reddit. And you want to click hot to search by too. It just makes everything a little easier. All right, guys, the reason that we hit hot is it gives you a compiled list of some of the most engaged posts here on Reddit. As you can see, this top one about Chernobyl has 8.3 thousand engagements to it. So just a back view on why we hit hot. So as we scroll down through here, I'm just going to try and find something really quick that I can kind of relate to, or I think is a little bit funny. How about if diseases were brands, what are their slogans? So I'm going to hit the comments here. And just looking through them, asthma, every breath, every breath counts. So if it were me, I would take a screen grab of that. I would take a screen grab of OCD because you can never be too sure. OCD, check again. Scrolling down a little bit farther. Hepatitis as easy as ABC. So I would take a screen grab of a couple of these and then I would hold on to them because you want to go to a few subreddits and get a few comments and a few posts so that way you can throw them into a video. So we're going to do one more. Personally, when I'm on Reddit, I like to look at shower thoughts. So let's hop right over there. Don't forget, we're going to make sure we're on hot, sort by hot. And let's see what Shower Thoughts has for us today. Maybe kids suck at understanding time because when parents say 5 minutes, it's never actually 5 minutes. I can relate to this. My 3 kids are terrible time management, but always tell me to wait a second. Come here for a second. Exactly. Okay, Mom, just a minute. See, this is like something that I can definitely relate to. It definitely hits home for me. So I would grab screenshots of these and I would hold on to them. Like I said, when you're in Reddit, you want to go to subreddits, you want to click on one, find the most engaging, relatable, funny post, and hold on to them. Once you're done on Reddit, you're going to want to go over to Social Blade. While here, I'm going to have you look up Reddit watchers. All right, guys, I really want you to take a look at Reddit watchers. They're pretty incredible. This channel was made in April, and they're already making $21,000 a month with only 27,000 subscribers. What's really amazing is they have taken other content off Reddit, they turned it into a video, and they were able to scale this in an unbelievable short amount of time. I don't understand why everybody else isn't jumping on this bandwagon. So once you found Reddit watchers, I want you to hop over to their your YouTube channel and look at what videos are most popular. Bear with me, guys. So go over to their videos, and you want to sort by most popular. Now, it's awesome because all this channel really did was go to Reddit. They found which posts they really enjoyed and really related to, and then they made videos from them, and they're making a killing doing it. So if you can see how easy this is, it's easy to scale up quickly with this type of channel. You can also use a voiceover, but I prefer to use ReadSpeaker.com, which is a website with a computer-generated voice that once you type your text in the customized box, the speaker will read your text. Right now, I have it set to English American Female, which I can play a demo for you really quick.
Hello, I'm one of the voices you can use to speech-enable content, devices, applications, and more. When I read your text, it sounds like this. This is a demo. Hello, I'm one.
They have a bunch of different accents and languages that you can choose from. They have English, British male, they have Chinese, they have Arabic female, they have French male, French female, Japanese, German, Greek, Hebrew, Hindi. So whatever you may be looking for, I'm sure that you can find it here. All you really have to do is just put your text in the box and someone else will read it. So there's no point in you having to record your own voice. That's something that you're trying to steer away from. But it's that simple, guys. Just follow these quick, easy steps and you'll be able to scale up your own YouTube channel in no time and make $30,000 per month doing this. The main goal is to push out as much content. If you found this video to be useful in any way, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to hit the bell icon down in the corner to make sure that you can get notifications for further videos that I posted. But if you want to know my #1 recommendation for making money online, it's the first link in the description below.